I always wanted to be a chef from when I was small. I remember when I was like 8 or 7 years old, I told my mom that we was just sitting down in the front of me. I was like, Mommy, I want to be a chef, you know. And she didn't really take no mind of it, but as I went through high school, like, I started my first competition in grade 8. I actually won my first competition, and from there, I always loved it. I never stopped. And it's always been a part of me. My name is Hazen, Rolle. I'm the junior chef on the national team, and I am currently attending the University of the Bahamas. Well, I mean, to be honest, I enjoy making anything, to be honest, because I enjoy new experiences. I love making new things. I love things with color because I'm attracted to a lot of color, so I want my plates to look awesome. I want colorful bursts. I want you to be attracted before you even eat it, because we eat with our eyes first.